All right, so welcome back. Here it is, Monday morning. Time I got to do my stretches. Oh, there we go. Gosh, after a long weekend, hopefully everybody had a great time. Derby parties, all that jazz. So me and Tom are back at it. We got a lot of things coming up this week that we want to talk to you about. This one here is going to take a minute. You already know that. So we just put out a gorgeous, breathtaking shower. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out. It's on our page. Moving forward, we have the countertop coming out this week. It'll be ready to unbox time, I believe, Wednesday.
Yeah.
So we'll be unboxing that guy. We'll be getting him to the mill, getting him planed, getting him brought back. So we'll be wrapping up that one this week. And along the way, we got a lot to show you. So let me go ahead and get you flipped around. Let's start right here at the door where you come in. All right, you come in, you got the master walk-in closet here. Now, all we're doing in here, we're just painting. All right, we're going to hook up the floor in here, and we're going to take care of all this popcorn up here on the ceiling that you see. All right, and then when you actually come in the main bathroom part, that's popcorn as well. We're going to be dealing with all that, making all that smooth again. So, as you walk in this way, here we go. For whatever reason, these vanities are in here. They are very, very low, below height of normal height. So this is going away, all of it. This guy here is going away. This wall and this wall that's housing this skinny little guy is going away. So we're going to take the toilet. We're going to move the toilet right over here in the corner in play. With this coming out and that coming out, here's going to be our new 8-foot shower. We're going to have a kick wall. We're going to bring it out down here off the other wall. The shower door's right here. And man, have we got a surprise for you right here. This is going to be one bad to the bone walk-in shower. So we're going to be eliminating the two walls. That is going to provide a brand new vanity, his and her, that we're going to set right here along this wall. So probably something like a 24-inch vanity and a 24-inch vanity, and we're actually going to do the top ourselves. So that would leave about 3 foot of room for the homeowners to actually slide in there, use it like a seat, and actually, get ready for work and things of that nature. So we just wanted to show you on the front side. The window's going to be gone. Like I said, walk-in shower. We're going to frame this up, bring it out, the whole 9, glass doors, everything that we do. Life-proof floor when we're done. We're painting the whole joint. So a lot of cool stuff happening in this one. This is going to be one of the baddest showers on the planet, no doubt. We're going to be running LED lights in the shower. That's right, Tom. LED lights in the shower. They don't believe us. We're going to be running them in the shower. No doubt. Google LED lights in a shower. And I'm telling you, I ain't seen nothing like anywhere on Google, nothing like what we're getting ready to pull off in this shower. So, if nothing else, if somebody has pulled something like off this similar, I doubt it. We have not seen it, and we have been searching. So no doubt this is going to be top notch. It's going to be one of the baddest showers we've ever been a part of. And don't forget, Meade County has a brand new banging bar getting ready to hit this November that we're going to be a part of. We're going to be doing all the countertops in this bar. So we got a lot of really cool stuff coming up for season 2. We're already on episode 10. I can't even believe it, Tom. Episode 10 already. So we got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. If you're not following us, you probably need to be. Countertop that we got coming out this week, we actually did for pizza and Mountain Dew. We got another person coming up that we're getting ready to do the same deal for. So, right now it's back to our bread and butter, what we do every day. Custom showers, custom kitchens. So, with all due respect, if you're not following us, you need to be. We do a lot of how-to videos. We show you how to do all this stuff yourself. So it's going to be a really exciting video coming up. We'll walk you through it. We'll talk you through it along the way. And you'll see a lot of these cool tricks we're going to do behind the scenes. Till the next one. All right, so we're back, ready to get started. We want to get you tuned in. You can already see there in the mirror. We want to show you where we're at thus far, what we've got done. Get you flipped around. So remember, that's where all the vanity and stuff was. There was that tub. So this is the space we're working with. We still got a mirror and stuff to get down. Remember, that window's going away. Here was the walls with the stand-up shower. We still got to move the toilet over here. So we got to deal with the vent pipe. We're going to get that in the channel of the walls. We've got the diverter from the old stand-up shower to deal with. Get those back. We've got to frame this wall out. There's a slight little bump out here difference. Okay, this wall's 2x4. That was 2x6. So we're going to have to continue that wall and have a little bump out right here. No big deal. So we just wanted to bring you up to speed. We're getting ready to bring lasers in here. Get square for our new big custom walk-in. It's going to be super exciting. Can't wait. We already have the framework design, everything, the boxes we're going to do, the whole 9 yards. We're going to be running lights in the back of the niche. This is going to be super cool. And we're going to put LED lights on the curb. We're actually going to run them all the way around the shower. So you'll see. Really super excited about all that. So just wanted to show you where we were at this point. We'll bring you back up to speed here when we get some of this framework knocked out.